Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have something really exciting to share with you all. In this video, I'm going to show you how I managed to get unlimited crystals and coins in Star Wars Hunters using this incredible method that I discovered. It's super easy and really effective. First off, I want to show you the results. As you can see, I have an insane amount of resources now, all thanks to this method. The best part about it is that it works seamlessly on both Android and iOS devices. You don't need any special skills, no jailbreaking, and no complicated procedures. It's straightforward, and anyone can do it. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through each step, one by one. All you need to do is watch carefully and follow along. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be amazed at how simple it is to get those unlimited crystals and coins. So, if you're ready to take your Star Wars Hunters game to the next level, grab your phone, make sure you're comfortable, and let's get started with the tutorial. Before you can use this method, there are some settings you need to change. These settings apply only for iOS devices. If you are on an Android device, you can skip this part and move on to the next step. First of all, you need to make sure that your Star Wars Hunters game is updated to the latest version. To check that, simply go to the App Store and see if there is any update available for the game. If there is, download and install it right away. If not, then you are good to go. Next thing you need to do is go to your settings and make sure that your battery saver mode is turned off. This mode can interfere with the mod and prevent it from working properly. So, make sure that your battery saver mode is off before proceeding further. What you need to do next is open up your internet browser, in my case it will be Safari, and go to the website called lucidapk.com. Lucidapk.com is a website where you can find many modded apps and games with amazing features. Once you are on the website, search for Star Wars Hunters and click on it. Here you will see some information about the app. To start the download, click on the blue download button and wait some time for the installation to finish. However, there is one more step that you need to complete before you can finish the installation. This step may vary depending on your device model and operating system, and usually involves some pretty simple steps. Don't worry, this step is very easy and quick, and there will be a video tutorial on how to complete it. Just follow the instructions and you should be fine. So, that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.